In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make an online signature for totally free. So this is really easy to do, and we want to basically go to this website right here. So this is the website, createmysignature.com. Just hit enter and you will end up on this page right here. And you can just see that draw signature is right here and it says free. So we're just going to click on that. And you'll basically end up on this page. And yeah, you can just draw whatever you want. So I don't know, something like this. And let's say this is your signature. You can just click on save. And by the way, you can also just click on that and redo it. But let's say this is my signature. I'm just gonna click on save. And then I want to click on download your signature here. Just click on download. And this will just download your signature. So when we open it up, you can see that this is my signature right here. And you can just add this to your document or whatever you like. So yeah, that is basically it. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.